Ever wonder how a brand new car gets from the factory to the dealership without being driven across the country? Most new cars are moved through a carefully planned transport system using trucks, trains, ships, storage yards, and distribution hubs. The goal is simple: get each vehicle to the dealer safely, efficiently, and in showroom-ready condition. After a new car comes off the assembly line, it usually goes through final inspection, processing, and preparation before transport. Some vehicles may receive protective wrap, added accessories, or last-minute checks before they are loaded for shipping. From there, the car may go to a regional distribution center, rail ramp, port, or directly to a dealership depending on the route. For shorter routes, new cars are often moved by open auto carrier trucks. These are the large trailers you see on highways, carrying several cars at once. A typical vehicle hauler may carry up to around 9 vehicles, depending on the size and layout of the load. This method is efficient for regional delivery and final transport to dealerships. For longer domestic routes, many new vehicles travel by train. Rail transport can move large numbers of cars across long distances efficiently. Vehicles may be loaded onto rail auto racks or specialized carriers, then secured carefully before the train leaves. Once they reach a rail ramp near the destination, trucks usually handle the final delivery to the dealer. When new cars are built overseas, they are often transported by ocean vessel using roll-on, roll-off shipping, also called ro-ro. With ro-ro shipping, vehicles are driven onto the ship, secured on special decks, and then driven off at the destination port. Some large ro-ro vessels can carry thousands of vehicles at once. Once imported vehicles arrive at a U.S. port, they are unloaded and moved to a storage or processing area. From there, the cars may be inspected, organized by destination, and loaded onto rail or truck carriers for the next part of the journey. This helps dealerships receive inventory in a controlled and trackable way. Brand new vehicles are secured during transport using approved loading methods, wheel straps, blocks, and proper tie-down systems. Some vehicles may also use protective covers or wrap guards to reduce the risk of scratches, dust, and weather exposure. High-value or luxury vehicles may be shipped by enclosed carrier for extra protection. Usually, no. A brand new car may arrive with a few miles on the odometer. Those miles typically come from factory testing, inspection, moving around ports, loading and unloading, and short transfers inside processing facilities. For many new vehicles, a small number of miles is completely normal. Yes, individuals can use many of the same types of auto transport services that dealerships rely on. If you bought a new car out of state, purchased from a dealer far away, or need a vehicle delivered to your home, you can choose open transport, enclosed transport, door-to-door shipping, or long-distance auto transport. So how are brand new cars transported? They usually move through a mix of truck, rail, port, and ocean shipping, depending on where they were built and where they need to go. For reliable new car transport, dealer vehicle shipping, or enclosed auto transport, visit a1autotransport.com today and request a free shipping quote.